Hey everybody, good afternoon. Neil here with Simple Futures, and what I've got for you tonight, because I was just doing videos last night, right? So why say the same thing again tonight about the same way that I feel today as I did yesterday about the S&Ps, which by the way went to target today. So congratulations to us for that. But something new, here we go. Touchdown, Crude. If you've been in the trade room, you know that we've been since this day, right back here, May the 4th, we've been using the top of that. That's an excess low with a firm finish. We've been using the top of that, 70 bucks as over-under. So every time it climbs above 70, we've been trying to shoot for 72, 72s into 74s. Reason being is 74, as you can see, is the bottom of this upper box, like this distribution. Got basically three distributions here, right? Got one from way back here mid last year that's in the 90s. The second one is this one that we're climbing into now. That's where I'm going with this. That's 74 by 84. And then the bottom distribution down here was the 67 by 72. So above 70, we go to 72. 72s, we go into test the bottom of this range, this area right here, which was from mid-November to mid-March, like 4 months long, right? And so we've been looking to press up in there. More specifically, when we do that, what we want to know is a target, a level to overcome to get to a target. Level to overcome is 74 to get back in the range, and then level to target 77 and 77.5. Why is that? Took the range from this November to mid-November to mid-March, profiled that on a volume chart, and found the value area high, low, and point of control. Point of control is 77. What we also have is this end of quarter settle print that we call matrix levels, but end of quarter settle here at 77.5. So anything basically above 70, we're trying to shoot for 77.5. All right, so there we are, we're there. Now what? Well, the rest of the story is this. When we get to an important level like this, we'd anticipate that it would breathe a little bit, come back in. So we want to look back here at about 73.5 and 74 for the next long, to then reach up and try to attack the next upper target, but that's after retrace now, which is going to be value area high of this upper distribution up here, which is also an end of quarter settle print at 81.5. Next target, call that T2. The first leg of this is in the books now. We've been doing this in the trade room. I know if you're watching this on YouTube or something, you're like, why are you telling me right now when you're at target? Well, we've been doing this since, what's this right here? May the 4th, looking for this target. And buying every bid above 70, looking for this target. There it is. Now I'm sharing with you the rest of our plan, the next leg, which is going to be back and fill, and then up to target, next to target T2 on the top, value area high / end of quarter settle 81.5. Hope it helps. Good trade. Nice evening. Check you again at the next update.
Without simpler trading, I could not have financial independence.
This is one of the best investments I ever made in my life.
It's helping me find consistency.
It's one of the things that won me